Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two foldable drones that promise to make your aerial dreams come true. On the left, we have the Holystone HS440, and on the right, the Ford DRC-V4 mini foldable drone. Let's see which one will make you feel like a Top Gun and which one might just crash and burn. Let's dive right into it. First up, let's talk about the price. The Holystone HS440 will set you back $129. Meanwhile, the Ford DRC-V4 Mini is a bit kinder to your wallet at $89. So if you want to save some bucks, the Ford DRC is your guy. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for, right? Will the extra $40 for the Holystone give you more bang for your buck? Or will you be left wondering where your money went? Let's find out. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera that can be adjusted up to 90 degrees. The Holystone HS440 claims to offer an exciting experience of aerial scenery with its 112 degrees wide-angle lens. Meanwhile, the Ford DRC-V4 Mini promises stability with its optical flow positioning technology. According to reviews, the Holystone HS440's camera streams well to your phone and offers decent image quality, though it can struggle with stability in windy conditions. Reviewers of the Ford DRC-V4 Mini noted that while the image quality is good for casual use, the camera is not as durable, with some reporting issues after just a few weeks. Next up, airtime. The Holystone HS440 gives you up to 20 minutes of flight time with its modular battery. But wait, the Ford DRC-V4 Mini swoops in with a whopping 26 minutes of flight time thanks to its two modular batteries. That's right, folks. With the Ford DRC-V4 Mini, you can spend an extra 6 minutes crashing into trees, chasing your dog, or pretending to be a spy. Sounds like a win to me. Both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases, making them perfect for your on-the-go adventures. But let's talk about durability. The Ford DRC-V4 Mini claims to be super drop resistant with full propeller guards. So if you're as clumsy as I am, this might be a lifesaver. The Holystone HS440 is no slouch either, but it doesn't boast about its durability as much. Reviews indicate that while the Holystone HS440 is durable and can survive multiple crashes, the Ford DRC-V4 Mini has mixed reviews about its durability, with some users experiencing issues after a few crashes. Both drones are packed with features. The Holystone HS440 offers automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. It's also got emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and fun flying experience. The Ford DRC-V4 Mini, on the other hand, is like the party animal of drones. It's got 3D flips, trajectory flight, gravity control, auto follow, gesture photo, and even VR. However, reviews indicate that while it's fun to fly and beginner-friendly, it might not be as durable or reliable in the long term. If you're looking for a drone that does everything except make your morning coffee, this might be it. Overall, both drones have their strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers praise the Holystone HS440 for its durability, ease of use, and reliable camera, although it can struggle in windy conditions and has some motor issues over time. The Ford DRC-V4 Mini is appreciated for its affordability, beginner-friendly features, and extended flight time, but it has mixed reviews regarding its durability and camera quality. So there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS440 is perfect for those who want a reliable, feature-packed drone that's easy to use. But if you're on a budget and want a drone that's as versatile as a Swiss Army knife, the Ford DRC V4 Mini is your go-to. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart comparison. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.